recently, paper silver prices in US dollars have been smashed again down below the $27 per ounce mark. However, if you look at the chart on the right-hand side of your screen there in this short little video, paper silver prices are still in an uptrend since mid-December of 2020. So there is a clear uptrend there. I drew an uptrend line, the green line there, the fat green line, and pretty much every time the paper silver price has been smashed, it's recovered in a short amount of time and started to rally again in the not too distant future. So the dips are being bought still, in my opinion, and we see this with the SPrott Physical Silver Trust, or PSLV. There has been an absolutely enormous amount of physical silver that is still coming in to the SPrott Physical Silver Trust. It is almost at 130 million ounces total in physical silver that has been added into the trust. Another new all-time high. It's already over 125 million ounces of physical silver just in the last 24 hours, give or take. So at the current pace, it will go over 130 million ounces probably in a week or less if the current pace continues. So that is extremely impressive, and the demand for physical silver is extremely robust, at least for institutional investors and retail investors who are buying the SPrott Physical Silver Trust. And the SPrott Physical Silver Trust has gone from, I think, in late December, early January, it was around 94 million ounces, and now it's over 125 million ounces already. So in relatively short order, it has added over 30 million ounces of physical silver, and the pace has not let up. So very, very impressive. Now, I get asked all the time about how to track premiums on physical silver and physical gold for Americans here in the US. And I actually, doing a little bit of research for this video, I found a couple websites I was not familiar with. One of them is didthesystemcollapse.org by Gregory Monte. He's been tracking premiums for physical gold and physical silver for over a year now, and he charts them out. It's really nice on his blog website. Highly recommend taking a look at it. I'll put links to it in the information and description section below the video. I couldn't fit all the charts on this short little video. Couldn't fit everything in because he has nice charts here. But the premiums for gold actually here in the US are rising substantially. Gold premiums are at 12% now, and bullion dealers, according to him, and he checks this almost every day, bullion dealers are starting to sell gold they don't have at a 12% premium. So that's future delivery gold at a very high premium. And silver premiums are also pretty strong, according to what he's doing. And another source, and I just wanted to pull up the YouTube video so I got it right, is from my friend Joseph, who I've known for a number of years now. And Joseph just started in January recently tracking premiums for physical gold and physical silver. And I believe he made an algorithm to track this with a Excel spreadsheet. He put an algorithm in there to track this. And he's doing short YouTube videos about this called Premium Tracker Silver Stacker. And he has a YouTube channel. So take a look at his YouTube channel, and he's putting out short little videos talking about premiums and where to find the best deals for different size gold and silver coins and bars for collectors and investors, including numismatics as well. So for actual bullion and then for numismatics. So take a look at Joseph's channel. Again, that's Premium Tracker Silver Stacker. If you want someone to do the research for you and take a look at premiums, because I get asked that all the time. So overall, the paper silver price is getting smashed along with the gold price. The gold price has gotten smashed even more, but the premiums for physical gold here in the US, now the premiums in other countries, it may be different, but here in the US, for Americans, for American bullion dealers, the premiums are sky high for physical gold to purchase here in the US for retail investors. Very, very high, 12% premiums on gold that the bullion dealers don't even have, according to didthesystemcollapse.org, who's updating this from Gregory Monte. So shout out to him. I don't know if he listens to this YouTube channel or not, but he's doing good work. I was taking a look at some of his research and updating it, and the charts are really nice. And there will be links to his blog articles on this in the information and description section. Sentiment levels for gold and gold stocks are at extreme bearish, extreme pessimism levels. So normally bottoms occur when sentiment gets just unbelievably bearish. And from Kitco sentiment gauges and from other sentiment gauges like Sentiment Trader, the sentiment levels for gold and gold stocks is some of the worst I've seen in 5 years, 10 years. I even saw one sentiment level in the last 24 hours that this was the most negative bearish sentiment for gold stocks in the last 21 years, since the year 2000. Ronald Stuffley, the gold fund manager, put a chart out on his Twitter about that. Please like, share the video with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the Wall Street for Main Street YouTube channel, which just crossed over 40,000 YouTube channel subscribers, finally, after many years of YouTube censorship. The YouTube censorship is getting so bad now that longtime subscribers to my channel, and I'm getting emails and messages and comments below videos and Patreon messages that people are not getting new videos in their feeds anymore who have subscribed to the channel for many, many years. So please check the channel manually to make sure that you're getting all the new videos, and I'm trying to put out more despite the long list of health problems, debilitating health problems that I'm dealing with. And also, if you can afford to do so, please chip in $5 or more per month over on my Patreon. And unfortunately, the links to my Patreon are now being blocked by YouTube, both in the links after videos. I've been checking them. They normally don't work now, unfortunately. Occasionally they do work, but most of the time for a month now, they have not been working at all either. So YouTube censorship is getting absolutely ridiculous to make sure that I struggle to pay my bills. And as an added benefit for being a patron, not only will you help me pay my bills so I can continue to put out research, content, information, analysis, and financial education with these videos, and I'm going to be doing more and more interviews with experts. I've sent out emails to a lot of big name guests. I won't name the names yet, but I'm trying really hard to get some big name guests that I've never had on before, but also articles unique for patrons behind the paywall there. And there's over 150 articles on many different topics, including precious metal royalty and streaming companies, gold miners, silver miners, oil companies, uranium miners, and other commodity-related investments. So that's something you don't want to miss. I think it's a really good value, and I'm doing the best I can to create value in terms of the videos and research and analysis, despite my long list of debilitating health problems that are very difficult for me to do any work. But I'm doing the best I can, and I'm going to keep growing this YouTube channel, hopefully in spite of YouTube censorship, and hopefully I will be able to continue to create value and grow the channel much larger in the not too distant future.